Hey guys, Ari Scratcher back. Today I got a sleigh bell ticket, and I wanted to give a shout out to Cash Cody for sending me this cool scratcher. Thanks, Cash Cody. Maybe it'll bring us some luck with the sleigh bell ticket. Alright, let's get started. Let's try the bonus first. Try again. And no bonus. Alright. Let's see if we can find a bell or a sleigh to win it all. First column. No bell. Second column. Let's see. Come on, sleigh. Give us a sleigh. Nope. Nothing. Third column. Sleigh or a bell. Come on. And nothing. Last row. Oop. And nothing. Let's see. Nope. Alright guys. No winner on that. Once again, I want to thank Cash Cody for the scratcher. Thank you, my man. And if you're not subscribed to him, go visit his channel. And thanks again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.